We're at West Eglinton Avenue, little Jamaica town. I just cycled up on and live streaming on Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. But today, there's my bike. This is Oakwood Avenue and Eglinton Ave West. Beautiful day. It's quite chilly. I think 10 Celsius, I think now. But it is breezy, chilly wind. Not bad of a ride out. And here's Oakwood Station. Not open yet. There's a entrance here, entrance, exit, and then there's another one down that way. Oh, here's our not good. Where are you going? Where are you going, turkey? So about here, I had to step aside or I would have been hit by the motorist. What? A nut! So I freeze framed here for the license plate. So the police has the unedited video. Here I had to edit out the license plate. Wow. Wow. Where did he get his driver's license? On Kijiji. Wow. What a privilege. You can fill in the blanks. What a privilege. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Wow.
It's an accident waiting to happen.
And what is he rushing for, you know? With that and his... Wow. Did we catch it on the live stream? I caught it on my pre-record. Holy moly. Okay.